Dylan. Hi. Hi. I love you. It's so cute. You love it. You got the hiccups? You got the hiccups? Got the hiccups? You're so happy all the time. Oh my goodness. Okay, you ready to take a bath? You want to take a bath? Yeah, you not ready for the bath yet? Okay, in a couple of minutes we're going to go take a bath, okay? Dylan. Dylan, say hi to the camera. Hi, camera. How old are you now? You're 5.5 months, right? So, future Dylan to baby Dylan. It's got to say hello. You gonna say hello to future Dylan? Okay, ignoring me. You have the best laugh in the world. You have the best laugh in the world. You know that, right? Okay, okay. Alright. Let's let Daddy finish cooking. Okay.